Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I upload DIYs and interior design content. My name is Ashley and this is Interior.Break. So in today's video, I'm going to be challenging myself to go to Dollar Tree, use Dollar Tree pots, and DIY those pots with Dollar Tree items. So if you guys are aware, pots can be like really expensive. Even if you try shopping at cheaper places, they still can be extremely expensive. And currently I am working on a makeover that requires a lot of pots, and it's not in the budget to basically buy all these pots. So I was like, how about I try to challenge myself to like go to Dollar Tree, buy pots from there, and basically make them look more modern and cute. I'm going to show you guys 4 easy DIYs to upgrade your Dollar Tree pots, and for a bonus I'll be showing you guys how to do a macrame plant holder. So keep on watching to see how I DIY these pots. So for the first look, I wanted to basically recreate this item that I actually currently have in my house right now. So we're gonna head to Dollar Tree and see what I pick up to create this look. So for my first pot, I'm gonna start by painting it white. Obviously you can choose whatever color you want. So now for the base, you're gonna take your canvas and you're gonna rip out the 2 long pieces out on the side. Then you're gonna repeat the same step on your second canvas. Then you're gonna take apart the last piece and you're gonna repeat the same step on your second canvas. So then you're gonna saw off that little piece and you're gonna repeat the same step on your second canvas. So out of the 2 sticks that you just saw, you're gonna be sawing one of them in half. So now it's time to put your base together. So I started off by using E6000 glue and hot glue together, but later on I'm going to show you another way to do it. Now it's time to glue on your legs. I highly suggest you doing one leg at a time, letting it dry, or it's probably going to be harder to work with. So then I ended up switching to Gorilla Glue, which ended up giving me better results. Oh! Oh! So once I had the patience to actually let it dry, I started painting my base in black.
Okay, so we're ready to repot our plants in these cute DIY planters that Ashley finished up.
So for my second look, this was my inspiration. Really wanted something with texture, so keep on watching to see how I create this look.
Oh, look what I just found.
What did you just find?
This is a great size, and it has the, I don't know how to take it out, but it has the draining pot.
Okay, perfect. So we'll do one of those.
Okay.
Perfect. So this is where you can get creative and do whatever you feel like doing, but I ended up just taking stickers and putting it in a straight line and repeating the step over and over again until the pot was covered. So I ended up running out of stickers, and luckily I had stickers at home, so I highly suggest getting more than 4 packs. So for my next look, I actually didn't have an inspiration picture. It was more like I walked into the store, I saw that item, and I was like, I definitely need to figure out how to work with this. And I'm actually happy how it turned out. So
This is a good size. It doesn't have any drainage, but we can figure that out.
okay. Why don't we go for the black one? I'm gonna get 2 of these. So this DIY is going to be extremely simple. All you're going to do is take the wood dowels and place them all around your pot, and you just got to be aware that there needs to be gaps inside of it because of the shape. So for my last pot DIY, this is where I cheated and I did go to dollar store. I would say my last DIY is basically Dollerama. Bring you guys a classic, easy DIY that you guys have probably seen all over the place, and I'm gonna be attaching it to a macrame. So
You get like a little pack of 2.
Okay. Perfect. So you're gonna take your jute rope and you're gonna start by wrapping it around and around and around. You guys get the point until the pot is basically covered. So now for the macrame, you're gonna take any jute rope and you're basically gonna cut them into 8 pieces and then tie them up in a big knot. Now you're gonna separate them by 2s. So now you're gonna figure out where you wanna place your first knot, and you're gonna keep knotting them in 2s. Just make sure that they're all aligned together. So now you're gonna take a rope from opposite knots and create a knot at your length desired. Hopefully the visual helps because it's really hard to explain. And you're gonna repeat this step over and over until you're happy with the knots that you have. that is the end of my video, guys. That were 4 DIYs that I showed you guys. Very easy, really not expensive, and yeah, fun to do. It doesn't take that long either. So if you guys like this type of videos, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Interior.Break. And if you guys do like these DIY videos, please let me know what other DIYs you guys would like to see. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Boom, 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 ba-da-bum-bum-bum-bum.